Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about how you can find web design and website clients and this applies really to both web designers, UI UX designers and even web developers because the principle is exactly the same and it works. It worked for me. I managed to make tens of thousands of dollars using this method, and it works also for my coaching students, which managed to make the same and collectively considering the many of them even more. So basically, before I show you the exact method, I just want to talk about one concept which I think it's very important and a lot of people don't not understand this. So you have you over here, and as a designer or developer, and then you have the client right on this section. Now, a lot of designers think that just by putting a lot of shots in their social media or a lot of projects in their portfolio, that clients will magically come and they will discover you and they will tell you, oh my god, the work you do is so cool, I want to work with you. And stuff like this happens, but not as often as you may think. And especially if you don't have a huge network or a huge following, it's very rare that this happens. But you don't want the dynamics to be like this anyways, because your ideal scenario is you being able to find a new client whenever you want and charging premium prices for it. So the first thing you have to understand is that you have to actively go out there in the marketplace and search for the clients. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can do this for absolute free. I know it sounds better than it sounds too good to be true, but it's actually really like this. So the first thing I want to show you is a directory site. So basically, you can find the potential clients anywhere on the internet. The thing that you have to ask yourself is what type of client would you like? So if you're into finding clients which are dentists, you can look at the directory online that talks about dentists. And if you're looking for startups, you can go on a site like this. It really doesn't matter the source, but you need to understand the principle. So you want to find a source like this one, where you can find infinite amount of leads and the potential clients. So in my case, I like to work with technology companies, startups which hopefully are funded. At least nowadays, I'm only working with funded companies or companies which are already making a turnover. So this could be one of the places where I'm looking for finding a new client. So let's click on this startup over here, which is Studio U. I don't know them, but the first thing that I want to do is to go on their website. And if you download this free plugin, which is from Hunter, and let me Google this. Or actually, it's already. So let me go again. It basically went and selected it. Okay, that's what I wanted. So if I Google Hunter plugin, go under Chrome, you can see this is a free plugin, and basically what this enables you to do is to find the emails of decision makers of that company. So if I go back here and I click on the icon, I'm going to see the email of the support. Now, in this case, I'm not interested in just seeing the email of the support. Other times in Hunter, you're going to be able to see the maybe the CEO, the founder, the co-founders, and those are the people who you want to contact, because that's where um, the decisions are made. Those people are the ones who makes the hiring decisions. So you want to contact the co-founders or the founders. And in this case, I know that for example, Rajat and Vistar, or the founders and co-founders. And so since Hunter didn't work, I can simply go to this website, which is verify-email.org, and I can just guess their emails. Now, usually emails, like, people do not have very complicated emails. It's either name at company.com or name surname at company.com or stuff of that nature. So if I look again at Hunter, and just going to copy this section over here at getstudiou.com, and I'm going to add this here, since this is the company email, and I'm just going to try with Rajat with his name. Okay, verify email. Let's see. Okay, got lucky, I found it straight away. So here we go, the email of the decision maker of that company. So what you do next is you send him a email, and you want to deliver some value up front. Now, what I usually do in these emails is I try to think of ways that I can deliver value specifically for this company, and then I want to land a phone call with him, and then during the phone call we can see if we can create a win-win situation or not. So this is the method, guys. I'm covering these methods and many more methods in my upcoming course, which is how to find high-ticket clients, high-ticket design clients. And if you want to be updated on the upcoming course, which I'm creating in these weeks and months, you can click on the link below this video, and you can be notified. Just enter the email and you're going to be notified when the course is going to be released. Now, I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll get back to you.